Hi traders, I just made over $7,000 day trading stocks in less than 1 hour. Let me show you how. Tesla's down 3.5%. I'm about to short. I'm risking 1.2,000 shares, shorting now. It's a nice reversal point. Bad news in Tesla today. Watching Applied Materials, nice continuation pattern. I love this continuation pattern. I'm going to short 4,000 shares as it comes down under the lows, 43.01. Actually, I'll wait to 43 and check. Ooh, that happened a little bit too quick. I'm waiting for a pullback. I don't chase them down now. Where did I get it? 43.0, 43.11. Great. I'm short Applied Materials. Tesla did the job, but I'm waiting for it to come down under 322. Watch the sellers here. 22.40, 20. Oh, now she just came under. Any pullback now, I'm going to cover. And she goes, and she goes, and she goes. Now, small pullback. Took my partial in Tesla, left just 200 shares. Very, very nice continuation. $1,300 and Applied Materials doing good too. Applied Materials just moved to a new low. I'm getting ready to cover at any pullback. 40 cents, actually 50 cents, took my partial. Lovely trade in Applied Materials, left just 400 shares. And I'm doing good. So far, just 12 minutes into the trading day, I'm up $6,100 and the day just started. It's a good start. Nvidia is interesting. It tried to move higher and it failed, as you can see here. Now, stop should be at around 252 if I'm going to short it. I like this bear flag formation. I actually think I'm going to take it with a $1 stop loss. And these three candles looks like, if we're going to come under, it looks like it's going to continue. Somewhere under 349. I'm getting ready to short it. I'm going to short it right here. Just shorted it over 349. Approximately $1 stop loss. Nvidia didn't move much. It's very close to my entry point and I think I want to reduce some size. I had 1,000 shares short. I'm going to reduce 600 if it moves up now. Well, I reduced very small size in Nvidia. I left just 400 shares. I think I lost maybe 10 cents. But now it's moving higher, so I'm glad I reduced my size. Well, Nvidia did the job. It did come under. I have more than a point now. I'm getting ready to cover 300 of my 400 shares, covering now. Well, turned out to be a nice trade in Nvidia. I didn't really trust it. Gained $500. TAL is down almost 4%. Now that's a nice consolidation near the lows. The lows is 31.22 and I would like to short it if it's going to come down under the lows. And watching the buyers here, here we go now, just moved under the lows. Short 4,000 shares. I'm risking approximately 20 cents. That's quite a small stop loss, therefore my target should be close to 31. That's a whole number. I don't expect it to come under 31 easily. Pullback in TAL, and I don't really like it. Okay, I'm covering now 2,000 shares at a loss of 12 cents. Stop is at 31.42. So I just covered for a loss of $160. And I'm keeping 2,000 shares. TGT is up today, 1.3%. Very nice continuation pattern. My only problem is that the market's coming down, but I can't ignore TGT. It also has a great technical pattern. If you watch the daily, you can see it just moved to new highs. So I'm buying now 2,000 shares, hoping to see some continuation before a new high, assuming it's going to move to a new high. And it looks like, here we go. We have a new high. My stop is going to be just under $83. So less than 20 cents stop loss. Again, at that point where I'm up that much, over 6 grand, I'm not taking any risk, nothing. Small quantities, small stop loss. I'm looking for 20 cents, risking approximately 15. Stop loss under $83. My only problem again is market direction. The market's coming down right now. But TGT is doing well so far. Well, what's that? Oh, this is nasty. Look at this pullback. I never move out. Never ever move out on a pullback like that. Never move out. You always wait for a pullback back to the highs. You never move out. Now that you see a very small pullback, these are 1 minute candles. This small green candle, that's my pullback. So originally my stop should have been under $83. Now it moved under $82.90. Market dictates your stop, not your idea where stop should be. TGT is returning, but it's really just going sideways. I'm selling now. I think I gained 1 cent. It may do well, but the market's coming down. I don't have any reason to take my chances with TGT. It's just going sideways, so I'm out. TAL is moving nicely. It did move under $31 and I did wait. My first target was 31, but it did come under and it's going. Now, I just saw a 2 cent pullback. Took my partial in TAL. It was a nice little breakdown originally and nice continuation. I'm really having a great Friday, and look at Tesla, over $5,500, and my last 100 shares in Tesla are up $1,600, 16 points, up $7,600 for Friday. Thank you for watching our video. Before you go, we invite you to join the TradeNet trading room for a free 14-day trial. TradeNet has educated more than 30,000 professional traders worldwide since 2004, and its trading room is one of the world's leading trading communities. Click here to start your free trial. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can view many more stock trading videos. Questions or comments, please submit them below.